In a world where organ transplants are often the only hope for survival, a revolutionary technology is paving the way for a future where damaged organs could heal themselves. Imagine a world where the need for organ donors could be drastically reduced and patients could avoid the long, agonizing wait for a transplant. This is the promise of mRNA technology. Every year, thousands of people suffer from end-stage liver disease, a condition that, until now, has only had one definitive cure: a liver transplant. But the scarcity of donor organs means that many patients are left with little hope. At the University of Pittsburgh, a team of brilliant scientists and doctors is working on a groundbreaking solution. By harnessing the power of mRNA, the same technology used to create life-saving COVID-19 vaccines, they are developing a way to reprogram damaged liver cells to heal themselves. So, how does it work? mRNA is like a set of instructions, telling our cells how to produce specific proteins. In the case of liver disease, researchers are using mRNA to create a transcription factor called HNF4-alpha. This protein is crucial for liver cells to function properly, and in damaged livers, it's almost non-existent. In lab experiments, this approach has already shown promise. Rats with severe liver damage were treated with mRNA, and the results were astonishing. These once terminal rats became more active, and their liver functions started to improve. While this therapy is still in its experimental stages, the potential is enormous. Imagine a world where patients with chronic liver disease could receive a simple injection that helps their liver heal itself, buying them precious time, or even eliminating the need for a transplant altogether. And it doesn't stop with the liver. Researchers are exploring the use of mRNA for other organs like lungs and kidneys, bringing hope to millions who suffer from chronic diseases. The road ahead is long, and there are many questions left to answer. But with each breakthrough, we move closer to a future where the need for organ transplants could be a thing of the past. This is the next frontier for mRNA technology, and it could change the world as we know it.